This is the Iron Trader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite trades, Tesla, TSLA. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, buy an ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have Tesla, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now we can see what's happening here today. You came all the way down. Look at this. Look at that bottoming candle right there. How nice a trade. Now, I'm going to show you, after I get done with here, I'm going to show you a tick chart, a 1, 5, and a 15-minute chart. Okay, so you can get a pretty good glimpse on how to scalp this. So look and see here, we look at Tesla. You always look at that 8 SMA. Look at this price. See, when that price gets underneath, look what happens. See, it just holds it all the way down. Now, this was that earnings here, which came out mediocre at best. And now he's trying to get 25% of the company. He wants $56 billion for a paycheck. So I don't know how this is all going to shake out. But here's what we have to do. We have to look at the key, look at the price channel, 180.06. That's going to be very, very crucial. Okay, on the closing basis, so far we're up above that. Real time, Tesla's sitting here right now. Let me see here, 180.164. Okay. So if that's lost, then we'll look obviously to today's low at 175.01. But let's just look here on a weekly chart. Now, if this is lost, what we do is we just come to the left of the chart. So what do we have here? And you got your high, 170.79. Okay, and then we just follow the candles on down. You have 166.56. We have 164.35. And then what we have here is we go to this candle, 160.56, and then we come here, 158.83, and your big retest is going to be 152.37. See this price channel? Just bring that price channel right across. This is the big candle if this keeps on selling all the way down at 152.37. Now, again, you can go all the way down to the retest here because we look at this, look where your retest is all the way down to 101.81. Okay, so look at that. But, if it keeps selling, you want to take this price channel across here, basically. So you want to look at that 164.35, and then we want to look at this price channel, 152.37. Now, on the upside, say it just reverses and goes on up. Well, what we want to do is you want to always watch this 8 SMA here. See, 186.79. That's going to be very, very key. If you can get above, then we follow these candles here. So you're looking at 188.69, 189.88. What do we have here? You got 191.48. We have 193.97. And then we have your recent high sitting at 196.36. So this is going to be your gap. And then we'll look to the bottom of this candle at 206.77. There's your fill. So we have your gap. And then we have your fill going on here. But this is all hinged on that we close above that key 8 SMA. Very, very crucial. Now, here when we look on a weekly chart, well, you got a lot of resistance if this thing gets ripping up here, okay? So if you can get all past all that, then we have a 208.21. That's your 21-day. Then you have 215. And then we start here with all your key SMAs at 220 here. You have 223.74. You have 228.05, so a lot of resistance. But when you look at this 8 SMA, you can see how she's just rolling over, 21 days rolling over. So when you look at this chart, you say, wow, why is it selling off? See, you have a high, a lower high, lower high, lower high, and then right in the basement. And then you lost this key level here, which is 194.07. That was holding for a long period of time, and now your price is sitting below that. So the key today is it needs to close above this 180.06. That is going to be very crucial. If not, tomorrow, what we look at is that 175.01 for retest. And then on the upside, this is going to be a key level at 186.75. Now, when we look at here on a monthly chart, well, if you can get up here, you can see the wedge that was going on here, okay? But it just is just a series of lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, okay? So that's really never good when you see that. So when you look at this 50 SMA here, that's 212.91, and then we'll have your 21 at 221, and then we have your 8 SMA here sitting at 229.25 here. So there is a lot of resistance. So if it can break above any kind of an area, all this resistance here, and now you can see all this stuff is just rolling right on over on every chart. Okay, so when you look at your RSI, well, that's got room to go on the bottom here. This MACD, the momentum, no good on the monthly chart. MACD, no momentum, looking not good here on the weekly chart. And we look here at the MACD. This is still bearish. Your green is below your red here. So there's just no juice here going on. Now, you did get into an oversold condition, but we have to see here where we're going to stand with this candle here, because what we have here is you could have a possible divergence. See, we have a low, you have a really low, and then we have an even lower low, but we have a higher low here on your RSI. So this could be a positive divergence. So never have, any way of saying, oh, I have an opinion it's going to go here. Now, an easy way to short Tesla, and I've used that today, and I'm going to show you here in a little bit, is with TSLS. Okay, very, very easy way. Does good volume. Right now, you're up almost 1 million shares on that. So you can, TSLS is a good way to short it. TSLA, good way to take it long. Okay, let's look at some scalping charts. All right, here you have your tick chart. You have a 1, a 5, and you have a 15-minute chart. Okay, so right here is what I want to show you. When this price comes down, okay, so then what we did, we had a below here of that 175.11. Now, you never want to buy it right there. It rallied up into that 21 SMA, and then it came down 175.01. Okay, so what you want to do is you wait till you get the green candle. That's where you want to take that scalp. Okay, so that's what I did on the old scalp there. So I am basically in that here on this thing. I'm in at 176. So I just riding this thing all the way on out here. And right now you're sitting at real time at 181.76. Okay, so I have a stop here at 180. So that's a good 4-point trade there. If it rallies right on up here, well, I'll obviously get more. So when you look at here, like on a 5-minute chart, you can see it a lot more clear. So you have your low, okay, 175.05. And then we do is we have a little bit lower low, but you can see exactly, okay, you never want to buy that first. You want to wait to get that second one. And then I waited till I got the green candle here to go. And then what you can do is then you can just rally that up here really nice here. Now, once it holds that 8 SMA, look how nice a trade this is. Now, I just say I got a stop in there at 180, and I'll if it progresses higher, I just keep raising that stop right on up here. So you want to use multiple charts if you're scalping. Tick 1, 5, and then here's your 15-minute if you want to slow it down a little bit. So that's what we have right there, and then you can just ride this all the way on up here. Okay, so I just want to give you a little bit of different view, instead of just your basic daily, weekly, and monthly charts. All right, thanks for watching.